Hello everyone, welcome back. All right, y'all, my name is Joyce McTier. For those of you who don't know me, I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today really quick with an Amazon haul. Now, I only got one item to show you all, but I bought these feathers, okay? Now, for those of you who have been following me, I did a video not too long ago on some feathers that I bought from AC Moore, and they were like real feathers. But these feathers are made with, these are like, I'm not going to say stainless steel, but they're made with not aluminum wire. They're metal, okay? I got these because y'all know me. I'm always doing something different. And I'm trying to figure out, I'm trying to remember how much I actually paid for these. I'm thinking that I may have paid like $7 or $8 for these, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to take them out of the pack. They came in a plastic container like that, of course, in an Amazon package. And they're little feathers like this. And I fell in love with them, y'all. I had no idea, that when I got them, that I was going to get 2 of each. So as you can see, I have 2 of each, and I'm loving it. They come in different sizes. I like the different colors that they're in. Like, as you can, I hope you all can see. I hope my camera is really working. But I received these, I'm going to say about 2 weeks ago. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to be adding something different to what I do. So I'm going to incorporate these. Now, when I got them, I did not think that the quality of them was going to be as good as they are, but this is some good quality. Good quality. And like I said, I ordered these from Amazon. And I know some people don't really like ordering from the mail or ordering things from Amazon, but I don't have a problem with ordering from Amazon. I like a lot of stuff that Amazon have, and sometimes some of the stuff like my wire, if I can't find a certain wire in the stores, I go to Amazon because Amazon will have it. It may take me sometimes 3 to 4 days before I actually receive it, but it's all good. It's all good. So I just wanted to come to you all today with a video showing you all something new that I got. And as you can see, like I said, they come in all sizes. I have some that's really incy wincy teeny. And I'm just like, wow, like the sky is the limit. The sky, y'all, is the limit. As a matter of fact, I have a number on here. And I'm going to give y'all the number just in case if y'all want to go and purchase these. Is X001U06L31. And I don't know if the numbers change or if the numbers stay the same. I'm not really sure. But this is my little small Amazon haul, y'all. So I will be doing something coming up. I don't know when I will be doing a video using these, but I'm sure that I will probably make something and I will be doing a video of it so that you all can see what I have made. But I just wanted to share this so that just in case if you wanted to go over and get yourself some feathers from Amazon, you can do that. So with that being said, y'all, for those of you who have decided to click on this video, I want y'all to know straight up that I greatly appreciate all of the support that you all show me here on this platform. I so appreciate it so very much. And if you are new and this is your first time clicking onto this video, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side okay? So that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And until the next one, peace and blessings. See ya.